In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy to find untapped or unborn winning products that you can sell on your Shopify dropshipping store. My students are using this strategy that I'm about to show you to find products that are not yet saturated, not yet in a million different spy tools that everybody's selling that product. How can you find those products before they actually become famous? I'm going to show you right now. And before we go into this untapped product strategy, which is pretty simple, it has 3 steps, and a lot of my students have been using it to get to the level of $10,000, $12,000 per day on their Shopify stores by not selling products that are super competitive, already in a bunch of different spy tools, already being talked about here on YouTube, for example. They're finding them before they get famous. Before we go into the strategy, I do want to invite you to our 5-day live Shopify training happening in about 2 weeks from now. We're going to be teaching you everything that you need to know about Shopify, about getting results for your Shopify stores, just like so many of my students. If you're interested in that, to go live for free with me directly, make sure to click that first link down in the description and register for the training. Now, even though in this strategy we're not using tools that are already very saturated, products popping up, the same product again and again, we are still using some spy tools. I'm going to show you which ones you can use. You can pick whichever you prefer. So the first 2 are either DropPoint or DroppySpy. They're both Facebook ad research tools. So you can find Facebook ads from people that are doing very well in a specific keyword or in a specific niche. And then we're going to go to analyze those ads or analyze those stores that we find with either SalesSource or Niche Scraper. SalesSource being my preferred tool, Niche Scraper also being a really good tool to analyze stores. So what we're going to do is on DropPoint, you can basically put in any keyword you want here on the right-hand side, whatever keyword. If you're looking for a general product, you can put get yours or get mine now, because that's the ad copy that a lot of different general stores use. Now, if you're trying to find a very specific product, let's say you're trying to sell something for Christmas, then we can put Christmas right here. And then add country, we can put all English speaking countries, which is basically US, UK, Canada, Australia. Instead of just putting US, last seen ads. We can put videos only if you like, and then limit comments, limit likes, limit shares if you want a particular ad to have a lot of likes or comments. I'm gonna put 1,000 views here, just so we don't get any ads that are just starting to run or not really doing a lot. So let's filter by that. And let's see if we find any Christmas related or holiday related ads that have already gotten 1,000 views and are running on Facebook. So let's try to find some really good ads right here. Okay, so wooden puzzle. It will be a great Christmas gift for both a child and an adult. Shop now. Okay, that's the type of ad that we're looking for. Last seen 5 days. That's awesome. And they're selling a product that is specifically for Christmas, already has 1.3 thousand likes, has 179,000 views, and it is this little puzzle right here. DropPoint gives you different ads that you can look at. So let's look at the first one right here. And this particular one, there we go. Wooden puzzle. This looks really nice. And it's a lot of, oh wow, it's a lot of different animals that create this. This is a good product to sell as a gift or as a present for kids. This is a great product. So what we're gonna do with this particular one, obviously this was a little bit faster than I expected, but once you find a product like this, it's been running for a couple of days, already doing very well, we're gonna click on the store and go to the store that is selling it. So this is called mangakos.com. Oh, and they're showing us multiple puzzles that they have. They're all little animals that make up this big animal. So lion, owl, fox, sparkling fish, parrot puzzle. This is actually an amazing idea. I didn't think about this before. Now, first thing that we can do is we can use SalesSource to see if this store is even making any money. And we can go to the SalesSource Chrome extension here and analyze the store. SalesSource is gonna tell us how much money they think this store is doing based on multiple estimates. I was talking to the owner of SalesSource. He told me this monthly revenue is based on the traffic that the store gets and the average order value that each product has. So let's assume we go with the lower end. It's making about $15,000, $30,000 per month. Let's say $15,000 to $20,000. That's still pretty good. And the ad has been running for just 5 days. So let's try to find down in the bottom the best selling products right here. So we have cute classic name necklace. The second one up here is actually the majestic wolf. Okay, and that's the same one that is running on the Facebook ad. Wooden puzzle. So they're running to a collection of products. So this is actually like a little fox. Let's see, owl puzzle, sparkling fish. I don't know why the images are not loading here. Recently uploaded products is the Lion King, Christmas sock puzzle, Christmas train, bear puzzle. So we can see that the second bestseller on this store is this majestic wolf. So I would say that these puzzles, or at least the puzzles that they're selling, because they're showing up, even though the images are not pulling up here for some reason, owl puzzle, you can see right here, sparkling fish, and wooden puzzle, majestic wolf, are making up a large majority of these 15K to 30K. The domain was created 3 months ago, so maybe they're just starting up ads maybe a week ago or 2 weeks ago. And the fact that they're already doing 15 to 20K gives me a great indication that these puzzles can do extremely well. Now, another level of that, you can also go to AliExpress and try to find these wooden puzzles and see if they're selling on AliExpress. So let's go and find wooden puzzle on AliExpress. And what's the actual name of this? Like maybe animal wooden puzzle. Let's see if we can find one. And we can either do best match or by order. So if we want to try to find the exact same product, we can look at best match, or we can just try to find the ones with the most orders. So let's see if we can find the one that we saw on that ad, because that was a very clever one. It might be a custom product, might be harder to ship. Let's see. Let's go back to the store. It's called Wooden Puzzle Majestic Wolf. Wooden puzzle. What we can also do is we can take the image from the product, and then we can go to sales source again, and then go on the product analyzer tab on the analyze product, and we can try to find the supplier for this specific product. You can either upload a product image or analyze the Shopify product. In this case, let's analyze the Shopify product. Let's check it out. See if we find any AliExpress suppliers, any suppliers. Competitors, 16. Oh, look at that. Okay. Average dropship price, 63. Products found, 60. Okay, so there's 60 different people selling this product. Okay, that's not really the same product, but let's see, competitors. Unidragon. Unidragon.eu. Let's check out this Unidragon. Let's see if they're selling the exact same product as that people are. Yeah, they are. Okay, wooden jigsaw puzzle majestic wolf. Okay, so there seems to be a few people selling this product, and it seems to be one that's actually gaining some traction for the holidays. Again, let's go to analyze store and see if this Unidragon is doing well. This one actually is doing $100,000 to $200,000 a month, so that's a great indicator. And the best selling product here is the wooden puzzle mysterious lion, wooden puzzle shining fish. So it tells me that these wooden puzzles are a big seller that are probably going to do well across the next couple of weeks or across the next month or so. Now the problem is now finding a supplier. That might be a tough one. What you can also do is you can go to TinEye. It is a reverse image search, and you can upload the image onto TinEye. For example, I'm going to upload it here. And then it's going to tell me if there's any websites on the internet that have this particular result. So it's actually unidragon.eu only. They don't have anybody else. Okay, in this case, finding a supplier has been a little bit tough. Let's put just the image here. Let's see if that actually works and try to find a supplier for this particular product. If not, I will need to do a lot more research. I don't want to make this video too long, but let's see if we can find it. Products found, images. I think the two people that are selling it are that Mangakos and the Unidragon. So it's a product that might not be selling too well to many people, but it still has a lot of potential. So that's the research that I go through to try to find a really good product. Before you keep watching, just a very quick note. I want to congratulate Hamd Hani from Indonesia for winning our $0 to $300,000 case study that I did with my student Johnny. We show you the ads, the strategy, and everything that it took to get to that point. If you want to win that case study, all you have to do is comment down below your city or your country where you're watching from, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button. Make sure to join the 5-day training down below. I will pick a winner from this video. We can also use Shopify. I love Shopify because it's made specifically for dropshippers. Droppoint is also made for dropshippers, but it's a little bit of a general tool where anybody that's using Facebook ads can use it. So in this case, Shopify, if you go to the tab here that says the filters, you can click dropshipping. you can click last seen winning products or high engagement. If you click on last seen winning products, it'll show you basically all the products that are doing well that are considered to be a drop shipping product. So we can go through them right here. Oh, this one's pretty cool. I assume it's like a scratching mat. Let me see. Yeah, okay, furniture protector. Okay, scratching furniture protector. This product is a little bit saturated. I know it's saturated. If you've never heard of it, then you might think, oh, it's a great product, but I'm actually gonna keep trying to find another one because I know that one is pretty well known already. What's that? Okay, so it's like a holiday lamp, lantern. That seems pretty good. Let's check out the details of this. Oh, it's in Portuguese. Okay, that's not a good one. Let's keep looking. This one is doing very well. It's a 48-in-1 tool, and it's a snowflake. This one, I know it's doing really well. My product researcher found it a couple days ago. Let's go to shop now, try to find the store. And again, we're gonna go through the same process, see if the store is even making money in the first place. If they're not making money, then there's no point. So what this tool does is an 18-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool. That means that you can build with it, you can fix things around the house with it, and it's also a snowflake. So it's kind of a funny gift to give people during the holiday season. Let's go to Analyze Store, see how much a store is making, and see if they're even doing anything. Okay, they're actually doing very well. 565,000 to $1 million per month, really, really well. And the main selling product is this 18-in-1 multi-tool. So in this case, we found an extremely good product very quickly through Shopify using their last seen winning products tool. And then we can go and analyze if the store is even making money. Now what we can go and do is find this particular product on AliExpress. Again, let's do Snowflake multi-tool, and it's the first one that pops up. It's getting well known. It's a product that is popping up. A lot of people are starting to advertise, not super saturated, still right within the time frame that you can still sell it. But just to note, more people are getting into it. Orders here. It already has 1,900 orders, 638, 531. So it's still not super saturated. It doesn't have 1 million orders, but it's doing very, very well, as you can see on AliExpress. So we just found a product using Shopify, analyzed it on Salesforce, and then checked that it's actually selling on AliExpress. Apart from Salesforce, if you don't like it or maybe it doesn't work that well for you, what you can also do is go to Niche Scraper and check out their product or their store analysis tab. So when you go to store analysis, it'll say business type, and you can click all stores or verified dropshipping, and then you can sort by store popularity or relevance. They will show you a lot of different stores out there, how much money they're making, their Alexa rank, and their different winning products. As you can see here, we see Crunchyroll. So let's say business type, verified dropshipping. And it's gonna show you all the different verified dropshipping stores out there. This one actually is my student store, the $300,000 store. So you can see that they're actually making a lot of money. Then we can go through the stores here, and you can see all different dropshipping stores. You can also analyze your own store or whatever store you want, put in the URL there, search it, store analysis, Alexa rank, and then it's estimating how much money they're making, and boom, 176,000 to 215,000. In this case, Salesforce estimated a little bit too high, so that's why I like to check both Salesforce and Niche Scraper. I want to make sure that I'm getting an accurate picture of how much the store is making. If Salesforce tells me 2 million per month, and then Niche Scraper tells me 100,000 per month, then that's a big discrepancy. I would go with the lowest one. If Niche Scraper says 1 million and Salesforce says 100, then I'm gonna go with the lowest one always, just to make sure that I'm getting an accurate picture. They're getting about 8,000 orders per month. Recently added products and best-selling products, again, that's the one. So definitely doing extremely well, and it was added September 15. So it was added just 2 months ago. Already doing extremely well. This is definitely a product that can scale throughout the holidays, can do extremely well for you. That's it for this untapped product strategy that my students are using to get the best result for their dropshipping store. If you don't want to do any product research and you just want me to do it for you, I created a list of the top 7 winning products that you can sell right now and over the course of the next couple of months. You can check that video and all that product list right there. There's going to be a square that's going to pop up right here. Top 7 winning products to dropship on your Shopify store. Right now, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, that like button, and I will see you on the next video. Make sure to join the 5-day training too.